Welcome back, Cyber Explorers. It's Alfie, and in this video we'll explore together with this step-by-step guide, how to create desktop shortcuts in Windows 10. So without further ado, let's get right into it. Creating a shortcut in Windows 10 is straightforward and flexible. Whether you're targeting apps, files, folders, or websites, here are the most effective methods. Method 1. Using the desktop shortcut wizard. Right-click on an empty area of your desktop. Select New, then Shortcut. In the Location field, type the path to the app, file, or website. For example, C Program Files app.exe, or URL. Click Next, name your shortcut, then click Finish. Method 2. Drag and drop from File Explorer. Open File Explorer and locate the file or folder. Right-click and drag it to the desktop. Release and choose Create Shortcuts here. Method 3. From the Start menu, click Start, then All Apps. Drag the app directly to the desktop. Method 4. Create Website Shortcuts. Open your browser and go to the site. Drag the lock or site information icon next to the URL to your desktop. Method 5. Use Shell Apps folder for modern apps. Press Windows key +R. Type Shell Apps folder. Press Enter. Right-click any app, then Create Shortcut. Confirm placing it on the desktop. Bonus: customize your shortcut. Right-click the shortcut, then Properties. Use Change Icon or assign a keyboard shortcut. And that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, consider subscribing, and don't forget to activate the notification bell so you won't miss out on any new uploads. Thank you for watching. Until next time, see you later.